Hello everyone, in this video tutorial we're going to learn how to track Calendly form. To track Calendly form we need a listener code. So this is the listener code we're going to use to track our Calendly form. So this is the form we're going to track. To track this Calendly form we have to create a custom HTML tag in GTM. So to create a custom HTML tag, click on new tag. Here, custom HTML, and here we have to paste this code. Now I am copying this code and paste it here. We have to trigger this code all the pages, and now give it a name. Now save it. So our custom HTML tag creation is done. Now we have to submit this. So now we have to preview and figure out the tracking method. So I'm clicking on preview. So as you can see here, our form has been loaded. So now I have to select date and time and submit this form so that I can figure out the tracking method. So I'm clicking on here. I'm selecting any date here and time. Next. And as you can see, I have selected a date and a time on this form. Now if I go to tag assistant here, click on Calendly and here. So this Calendly event is date and time selected. This event executes when someone selects date and time. Now I have to fill up this form and schedule an event so that we could track event schedule as well. So I'm clicking on schedule event. So our form submission is done. Now if I come here, you can see now Calendly event is event schedule, which means I have scheduled an event on our Calendly form. So we have to track both event schedule and date and time selected. So to do that, we have to create a variable in our GTM. The variable name is Calendly event. So I'm copying this and click on variables, new. Here, date layer variable, paste it, give it a name. Now save it. So the variable creation is done. Now we have to create two different tags and trigger to track both date and time selected and event schedule. So click on tags, new. Here, Google Analytics. Click on here, and from here we have to select our constant variable for GA4. So this is our GA4 measurement ID because we're going to track this form and send to Google Analytics for. So that's why this is the measurement ID for you. You could just simply copy the GA4 measurement ID and paste it here. Okay, and give a event name. Now click on figuring. Plus trigger configuration, custom event. Here we have to give event name. So what is the event name? Our event name is, as you can see, this is the event and this is the event name. So we have to copy this event name and paste it here. Now click on here, select variable. Now Calendly event variable. This is the variable we just created. Here equals, as this is for date and time selection. So we have to copy this date and time selected and paste it here. Now give it a name. Save it. Now give this tag a name. Save it. So our tag creation for date and time selected is done. Now we have to create another tag to track event schedule. So new tag configuration, Google Analytics 4. Now give the measurement ID of your GA4 account. So this is mine. Give the event name. Now click on triggering. Plus trigger configuration, custom event, give the event name Calendly and click on here, select the variable Calendly event variable equal. So here we have to give Calendly event schedule. Now give it a name, save it, give the tag name, save it, submit this. So that's how you can track the Calendly form. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you in the next one.